How to fix chat bug in Roblox Mobile. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the chat bug issue, first and foremost, you can launch a Play Store, or if you are on your iOS device, go ahead and launch your App Store. Tap on the search bar to go ahead and search for Roblox. So over here, if you see any of the update button, just go ahead and click on update and wait for your app for up to date. If not, tap on the play option to launch your Roblox. So right over here, go ahead and quickly give a refresh to your Roblox and tap on the chat icon to go ahead and see if you can still try to write message or not. If the issue still persists, head back from here. Then press and hold onto your app to head to App Info. From here, tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove the bug or the glitch issue. By tapping on the Clear Storage button, it will remove any other credential or data that the app consists. You can try to tap on Clear Storage as well. After that, you will have to log in back to your Roblox and see if the issue is solved. Also, make sure you are connected to a good Wi-Fi speed. In that case, and if that is not the case, you can switch into a different network connection as well. The last resort would be to uninstall the app and reinstall it later. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To check the Facebook page password, go ahead and tap on your phone settings. So in your phone setting, you need to go ahead and access to the password manager. When you save your Facebook page password or your Facebook account password, it is saved within the password manager of either your device or the Google Password Manager. So go ahead and scroll down until you see the option of Google and tap on it. From here, you need to select on the option of All Services. Scroll down again until you see the option with Autofill with Google. Tap on here. Then make sure you are using the same Google account that is associated with the Facebook. Then tap on Google Password Manager. In here, you'll find every other application and your Facebook app if you have saved your password right over here. So you can check out your Facebook page password from here as well. If you have saved it, you can easily copy the credential and paste to log in. If not, the last resort would be to click on the Forgot Password option and recreate a new one. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.